Hello friends, in this video we'll see what are the fundamental rights and duties as stated in the Constitution of Ukraine. All equal before law, gender equality, right to life, right to protect health, right to respect of individual dignity, right to freedom, right to protection of personal data, right to freedom of thought and speech, right to free expression of views, right to freedom of personal philosophy, right of property, right to do business. Government would protect rights of consumers, right to timely payment for labor, right to strike as per prescribed law, right to rest, right of social protection for disabled person, right to housing, right to standard of living, right to safe environment. In family, spouses are equal, right to education, right to appeal against decision of court, free legal aid in certain cases, innocent till proved guilty. Citizens have right to know their duties. So these were certain rights, fundamental rights in the Constitution of Ukraine. We'll also see now what are the fundamental duties which are mentioned in the Constitution of Ukraine. Citizens to perform military service, to protect environment, to protect cultural heritage, to pay taxes levied under law, to file annual income tax declaration with concerned authorities. So friend, these were something fundamental rights and duties as stated in the Constitution of Ukraine. In our next video, we'll see what is the judiciary which is mentioned in the Constitution of Ukraine. Thank you.